my channel. This is Jaleh's Style. This channel is about fashion pieces that I've decided to purchase, and it's also about how you can dress modest and conservatively without sacrificing style. What this video is mainly about though is an unboxing video of a bag that I just purchased recently and I wanted to share with you. Okay, so the bag that I've just purchased is the Givenchy Antigona size medium. I bought this bag using an app called ShopTagger. Okay, so ShopTagger is an app that will look across all websites, search databases, just to find you the best deal. Also, some of the shops that are on ShopTagger are cash back. And this particular bag, this Givenchy, I got cash back for it. All right, so let me share with you the bag. So if you purchase this bag, you will receive a black dust bag. You should receive a black dust bag, okay? Okay, so here is the front of the bag. Now this is the medium, the soft style Antigona, okay? This is the sides. On the side of the bag, there's the clasps on both sides that you can undo if you would like. It also has a detachable handle, okay? I will try to adjust my camera for you so you can see how it sits in my lap. Okay, so here is the bag, okay? All right, it also comes with 2 zippers. And I am going to show you the inside of the bag. Okay, I'm going to remove this tissue paper. Okay, so with this bag, here is the inside. Okay. It comes also with a smaller pocket. Looks like a card pocket, if that makes any sense. Okay. And also, I forgot to show you, here's the bottom of the bag. Now, if you look on the website, Givenchy's website, or another seller's website, you will notice that the bag has a sag to it. And I wanted to show you and share with you a little trick how you can possibly get the same look, okay? I believe also that you just have to let the air out, okay? And over time, that the bag will naturally sag. Because on the side, let's let the air out. Well, first you need to undo the sides, okay? You need to elongate the bag by undoing the sides, okay? There we go. Okay, and after you do that, you let the air out of the bag. Now you re-zip it, okay? Now the site shows it like this. Okay, so like I said, you can possibly wear this 2 different ways. In the crook of your arm, as so. Okay. And I'm going to adjust the camera so you can see how it looks on me if I decide to wear it on my shoulder. So, this is what the bag looks like on my shoulder. It's best to undo the clasps on both ends, because if not, you will have the handles in your armpits. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like, and I'm a mom of 3. This is medium size Givenchy Soft Antigona in the medium size, and I feel that this is a a perfect size for me. Okay. And I'm also 5'5". So if you were wondering, you know, as a reference, how big the bag is or how it may look on you. Now, if you do not like the slouchy look, you can just open the bag a little, unzip it, let air inside, okay? Reattach the clasps on both ends. And there you go. Okay, so this is a two-way bag that can be worn in the crook of your arm or on your shoulder. The strap, the shoulder strap is removable. So if you don't like the shoulder strap just hanging, I don't mind it. So, but you can remove it if not. All right, well, stay tuned. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will give you updates on whether or not the bag met my expectations, the pros, the cons, if any. Okay, so thank you all and have a blessed day.